today's video we will fix the LG monitor not turning on, black screen, power LED and reset step. The fix one, you can check the power cable. Make sure the power cable is properly plugged into the monitor. Check that the older end is firmly connected to the wall outlet and try a different wall socket to see if the outlet is the problem. The fix 2, you can check the power button. Press the power button firmly once. Look closely for a small LED light on the monitor. If no light appear, hold the power button for 10 seconds and release and try turning it on again. The fix 3, you can perform a power reset. So turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable from the wall outlet, then wait for 5 minutes and plug everything back in and turn it on. The fix 4, you can check the display cable, the HDMI or display port. So make sure the HDMI or display port cable is connected properly. Remove and reconnect both ends of the cable. Then try using a different HDMI or display port cable. So these are the steps that can help you to fix. Goodbye.